Email bombing attacks, also known as mail bomb attacks, occur when bots flood an email address or server with hundreds to thousands of email messages. So, mail bomb is a term used to describe a large number of unwanted email communications sent to a single recipient, or to a group of recipients. These messages are sent with the intention of crashing the email user's email program, or to prevent the user from receiving legitimate email communications. If done to a number of users on the same server, mail bombing can effectively crash the entire server with its heavy load. Frequently, these mass mailings will target dedicated hosts that handle website and business email accounts. In these cases, the attack can be devastating to the host and the company. While mail bombs can be detrimental to recipients, this simple DDoS, distributed denial of service, attack can be easily detected by most spam filters. However, mail bombs are not like spam in that these messages are sent in greater frequency with the deliberate goal of crashing the user's program or the mail server. In these attacks, the sender will employ a simple botnet, a hierarchical network of computers controlled by the single malicious sender, similar to systems employed by spammers, to send a great volume of emails. These emails are all addressed to a single user, or to a few users, which the mail bomber wishes to target. Real types of email bomb attacks. Mass mailing. Attackers send multiple copies of the same email to the same address. Mass mailing attacks usually employ botnets to rapidly overload the victim's mailbox. List linking. Attackers subscribe the victim to multiple mailing lists, forcing them to unsubscribe manually. This attack is also known as an email cluster bomb. Zip bombing. Attackers attach compressed files containing large volumes of garbage to the message, overloading the mail service's antivirus software when it tries to scan it. 6 steps to take during an email bombing. When an email bomb attack is in process, it's essential to avoid mass deletion and use email rules to filter spam instead. Inboxes that are critical to your organization should use failover services and notifications to protect against the deletion of important emails. Use a bulk mail filter to help stop subscription-based emails from landing in the inbox. Simply add the newsletters that you want to your approved senders list. Use custom spam filters to help block emails that contain words like confirmation, subscription, or confirm. You'll need to double-check that any valid emails that contain these words aren't also blocked. Make sure that online passwords are changed and that all of your organization's online accounts are secured with multi-factor authentication. Before deleting any emails, look for suspicious activity such as unauthorized withdrawals or purchase confirmation emails that may get buried in the onslaught. Stopping email bombs. 7 steps to prepare for email bomb attacks. An email bomb attack is almost impossible to prevent because any user with a valid email address can spam any other valid email address. However, there are important ways your organization can prepare for an attack. The Center for Internet Security recommends following the guidelines below. Ensure email delivery software is up to date, patched, and includes antivirus capabilities. Employ targeting to block or slow traffic from a sending IP address if the traffic from that address exceeds a predefined threshold, for example greater than 10 emails per minute. Consider blocking file attachments used in email bomb attacks, such as .zip, 7zip, .exe, and .rar. Limit the maximum email attachment file size. Ensure out-of-office, bounce back, and other automatic messages are only sent once to prevent an endless loop of recurring automatic replies. Where possible, limit send permissions so that only internal and authorized users may send to distribution lists. Avoid posting plain text email addresses online as attackers are able to scrape web pages for email addresses to target them for spam campaigns.